Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, welcome to new highs. Actually, let's start with the daily time frame real quick, just to offer up that reference point. And I'll get rid of these lines for now. They don't really serve purposes anymore other than create clutter. But you can see right here that we are now officially at all-time highs for the market. So that brings about the very valid question of, okay, well, is this truly new highs? Is this the start of something bigger? Is there going to be, basically, is there any sort of genuine strength behind today's price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind the breakout? Because there's no doubt about it. The breakout occurred. We're sitting at new highs. So that's the big question. Is there any sort of genuine strength behind this movement? And I have no idea, but the cool part about charts is that's going to make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about this area right down here at 304 going forward. Why is 304 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that breakouts that are, well, truly breakouts are going to keep on breaking out. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is going to get continuation. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 304. I'm not saying this will occur, but for example's sake, let's say that the price pulls back and gets down to 304 and then all of a sudden continues on down. What would you have at that point? From a very literal perspective, you would have the price literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And again, price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a much different situation because you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd even have some lows further down. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly bullish move, a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to just continue to make progress going forward. Nothing can go straight up. So there's no problem with price movements pulling back. But as long as those pullbacks occur at higher and higher lows, that's what you want to see. So all in all, new highs. Now it's just a valid question that, everybody's asking, hey, is this a true breakout? Is this the start of something bigger? Let's just sit back and see if the price can start to make progress, show signs of higher bases. And in my opinion, at least that first stair step, that first, progress point being right there at 304. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.